Your legs might be sending you signals long before the rest of your body catches up. If they're feeling weaker, shakier, or just not as reliable as they used to be, you're in good company. Many of us think it's just a natural part of aging or not getting enough exercise, but here's the truth. Weak legs can be an early clue that your body needs a little extra support. The great news? The answer might be right there on your dinner plate. Some everyday foods are packed with the nutrients your muscles, nerves, and blood vessels need to keep your legs strong, steady, and full of life. Today we're sharing 4 fantastic foods that can naturally give your legs a boost. No fuss, no fancy stuff. These aren't exotic superfoods or costly supplements. They're simple, affordable foods that work behind the scenes to improve blood flow, calm inflammation, protect your nerves, and maintain lean muscle. Whether you're dealing with tired legs, wobbly knees, or those annoying nighttime cramps, adding these to your meals can make a world of difference. As we get older, our leg muscles tend to lose strength faster than other parts of the body. That's not just about appearances. Weak legs can increase your risk of falls, limit your mobility, and even affect your long-term health. The culprits are often poor circulation, hidden nutrient deficiencies, or chronic inflammation quietly chipping away at your strength. But here's the exciting part. With the right foods, you can rebuild muscle, boost endurance, and help your legs feel energized again. If you're tired of struggling with stairs, stiffness, or sudden fatigue, you'll want to listen up. Let's dive into the 4 powerhouse foods you can start eating today to keep your legs strong for years to come. Number 1, spinach. Spinach might seem like just another leafy green, but when it comes to leg strength, it's a hidden gem in your kitchen. Behind its mild taste and tender texture lies a nutritional powerhouse loaded with magnesium and potassium, 2 must-have minerals your muscles and nerves rely on to keep you moving smoothly. These minerals do more than just power your legs. They help ward off cramps, improve coordination, and lower the risk of injury during everyday activities like walking, standing, or climbing stairs. Magnesium is a quiet hero, helping your muscles contract and relax properly. Without enough of it, your muscles can get tense, prone to spasms, and slow to recover after even light activity. That means low magnesium can make simple tasks like strolling a few blocks or getting up from a chair feels surprisingly exhausting. Spinach comes to the rescue. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach delivers nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. And since it's so easy to toss into meals, it's a no-brainer way to keep your levels steady without popping pills. Potassium, on the other hand, keeps the electrical signals in your muscles firing correctly. Every step you take relies on potassium to balance fluids and electrolytes in your cells. Too little potassium can lead to weak muscles, sluggish reflexes, or that heavy leg feeling that slows you down. Thankfully, spinach is a potassium champ. 1 serving packs about 800 milligrams, helping you hit your daily target and keeping your legs responsive and strong. But spinach doesn't stop there. It's also rich in plant compounds called nitrates, which studies show can improve blood flow by relaxing and widening blood vessels. Better circulation means more oxygen, and nutrients reach your leg muscles when you need them most, whether you're walking, standing for hours, or recovering from a workout. Research even suggests nitrates from veggies like spinach boost muscle efficiency and endurance, especially for older adults. Plus, spinach brings small but mighty amounts of vitamin K, folate, and iron to the table. These nutrients team up to support healthy blood cells, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints moving smoothly. That makes spinach a go-to for anyone dealing with swelling, stiffness, or all-day leg fatigue. The best part? Spinach fits into almost any meal. Saute it with garlic and olive oil for a quick side. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie, stir it into scrambled eggs, soups, or casseroles. It cooks down fast and blends with any flavor, making it one of the easiest ways to sneak in serious nutrition without shaking up your routine. So if your legs are feeling a bit unsteady or you just want to keep them strong for the long haul, spinach might be the unsung hero you've been overlooking. Number 2, salmon. When it comes to protecting your leg strength and mobility as you age, salmon is a true all-star. This flavorful fish isn't just a protein powerhouse, it's brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, B vitamins, and essential minerals like selenium and potassium. Together, these nutrients work like a dream team to keep your muscles strong, reduce inflammation, and boost blood flow to your legs. But let's start with protein. Your muscles need a steady supply to repair, rebuild, and stay strong. As we age, this matters even more because muscle mass naturally declines, a condition called sarcopenia. Left unchecked, it can lead to weakness, balance issues, and trouble with everyday tasks like walking or standing up. Salmon delivers complete protein, packing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to maintain muscle and prevent breakdown. A single 3-ounce serving gives you about 22 grams of protein, plenty to make a dent in your daily needs. But protein is just the start. Omega-3s, found in abundance in salmon, especially wild-caught, are inflammation-fighting superstars. Chronic inflammation can damage muscle tissue, slow recovery, and even mess with blood flow to your legs. It's also a key player in conditions like peripheral artery disease, which can make your legs feel heavy, tired, or numb. Eating salmon helps tame that inflammation, restoring better mobility from the inside out. Salmon's also a top source of vitamin D, which plays a direct role in muscle function. Low vitamin D is linked to weaker legs, balance problems, and a high risk of falls, especially in older adults. Since vitamin D helps your muscles respond to nerve signals, getting enough keeps your legs moving smoothly. Many of us don't get enough vitamin D from sunlight alone, especially if we're indoors a lot, making salmon a vital dietary ally for both muscles and bones. And then there's circulation. Like spinach, salmon is rich in potassium, which supports healthy blood flow by balancing fluids and easing strain on blood vessels. Good circulation is key to delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, and poor blood flow is often behind leg pain, cramps, or that all-too-common heavy feeling. Regular salmon meals help maintain healthy blood pressure and keep blood vessels flexible. 2 big wins for your lower body. Adding salmon to your routine is a breeze and delicious to boot. Grill it, bake it, broil it, or pan-sear it with a sprinkle of herbs and a squeeze of lemon. Canned salmon is a budget-friendly option that's just as nutritious. Toss it into salads, mix it into grain bowls, or whip up salmon patties with oats and egg for a quick, muscle-boosting meal. If leg weakness or soreness is creeping in, salmon might be the missing piece to help you stay active, mobile, and independent. Number 3, Greek yogurt. For keeping your legs strong and steady, Greek yogurt is a surprisingly powerful player that deserves a spot in your fridge. This thick, creamy treat is more than a tasty snack. It's a nutritional goldmine packed with protein, calcium, probiotics, and B vitamins that support your muscles and bones as you age. Protein takes center stage. As we get older, holding on to muscle mass gets tougher due to natural decline, less activity, and slower recovery. Greek yogurt delivers a hefty dose of complete protein, perfect for rebuilding and preserving the muscle fibers that keep your legs strong. Just 1 cup of plain, low-fat Greek yogurt offers up to 20 grams of high-quality protein, nearly double what you'd get from regular yogurt. That's key for repairing tiny muscle tears after movement and preventing the frailty that can lead to weakness. But strong legs aren't just about muscles, your bones matter too. Greek yogurt is loaded with calcium, which keeps your bones dense and sturdy. Without enough calcium, bones can become brittle, raising the risk of fractures and making it harder for your legs to carry you confidently. Pairing calcium with vitamin D is even better. And while Greek yogurt doesn't naturally have much D, many brands fortify it, giving you both nutrients in one easy scoop. Then there's the gut-muscle connection. Greek yogurt is rich in live probiotics-friendly bacteria to support your digestive health. Why does this matter for your legs? Poor digestion can lead to nutrient absorption issues, which can quietly contribute to muscle fatigue and weakness. A healthy gut ensures your muscles get the vitamins and minerals they need to perform. Probiotics also help reduce inflammation and boost metabolism, leaving you feeling stronger and more energized overall. Greek yogurt also brings B vitamins like B12 and riboflavin to the party, which help turn food into energy. B12 is especially important for nerve function, and low levels are linked to muscle weakness, particularly in the legs. Older adults and vegetarians are at a higher risk for B12 deficiency, so Greek yogurt is a great way to bridge that gap without relying on meat. Incorporating Greek yogurt is a cinch. Enjoy it solo, mix it with berries and nuts for extra fiber and healthy fats, or blend it into smoothies and sauces. It's also a fantastic swap for sour cream or mayo in recipes. For those with lactose issues, lactose-free Greek yogurt or non-dairy options like almond and coconut-based are widely available. Just check for added calcium and protein. If your legs are feeling weaker or more tired than usual, a daily dose of Greek yogurt could be the boost your muscles, bones, and gut need to stay resilient. Number 4, lentils. Lentils might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of leg strength, but these tiny legumes are a nutritional dynamo that can work wonders for your lower body. Affordable, versatile, and packed with protein, fiber, iron, and folate, lentils are a fantastic addition to your plate, quietly supporting your muscles, blood flow, and overall energy levels. Just start with protein. As we age, keeping our muscles strong is critical to avoid weakness and maintain mobility. Lentils are a plant-based protein powerhouse, offering about 18 grams of high-quality protein per cooked cup. This protein helps repair and rebuild muscle fibers, especially after daily activities like walking or climbing stairs. For those who prefer lighter or meat-free meals, lentils are an easy way to meet your protein needs without overloading on heavier foods. But lentils shine beyond protein. They're loaded with iron, a key nutrient for producing red blood cells that carry oxygen to your muscles. Low iron levels can leave your legs feeling heavy, tired, or sluggish, especially during movement. Since iron deficiency is common, particularly in older adults or those with plant-based diets, lentils are a smart, natural way to keep your oxygen delivery system running smoothly. Pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes or bell peppers to boost iron absorption. Lentils also bring fiber to the table, which supports healthy digestion and stable blood sugar levels. Why does this matter for your legs? Steady blood sugar prevents energy crashes that can make your legs feel weak or fatigued during the day. Plus, fiber helps reduce inflammation, which can quietly wear down muscle and joint health over time. By keeping inflammation in check, lentils create a better environment for your legs to stay strong and resilient. Folate, another star nutrient in lentils, plays a big role in cell repair and red blood cell production. This ensures your muscles get the nutrients they need to recover and perform, whether you're taking a leisurely walk or tackling household chores. Just 1 cup of lentils provides nearly 90% of your daily folate needs, making them a simple way to support long-term leg health. Incorporating lentils is a breeze. Simmer them into hearty soups or stews, toss them into salads for a protein boost, or mash them into veggie patties for a quick meal. They cook faster than most beans and soak up flavors from spices, herbs, or broth, making them a delicious fit for any cuisine. If you're new to lentils, start with red or green varieties. They're easy to find and blend beautifully into everyday dishes. If your legs are starting to feel less dependable or you just want to keep them powering you through life, lentils are a budget-friendly, nutrient-packed ally. They don't just strengthen your legs, they fuel your whole body with steady energy and lasting vitality. Number 5, beets. Beets might not steal the spotlight in your kitchen, but when it comes to strengthening your legs from the inside out, they're a natural powerhouse you'll want on your plate. These vibrant root veggies are loaded with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels, boosts circulation, and delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles more efficiently. For strong, healthy legs, good blood flow is non-negotiable. As we age, blood vessels can stiffen and circulation often takes a hit, especially in the legs. This can lead to cold feet, cramps, fatigue when walking, or even a higher risk of falls due to muscle weakness. Beets tackle this head-on by enhancing blood vessel function and keeping them flexible. When nitric oxide levels rise, your vessels relax, letting oxygen-rich blood flood your leg muscles. That means better endurance, quicker recovery, and stronger steps. Studies back this up. Beets are endurance boosters, especially for older adults. One trial showed that seniors who drank beetroot juice before exercise walked longer distances with less effort. Another found that regular beet consumption improved oxygen use during light activity, letting muscles do more with less strain. This is a game changer for anyone who feels leg fatigue on walks or stairs. Beets also pack key nutrients like folate, potassium, vitamin C. Folate supports red blood cell production, crucial for oxygen delivery. Potassium helps muscles function properly and prevents cramps. Vitamin C, an antioxidant, fights inflammation that can cause leg pain and stiffness. Plus, beets contain betalains, pigments that reduce chronic inflammation, major driver of muscle loss, stiffness, and joint pain. Getting more beets into your day is easy and versatile. Roast them for a tasty side dish, shred them raw into salads, or blend them into juices and smoothies for a nitrate-packed punch. If the earthy flavor isn't your thing, mix beets with apples, carrots, or citrus to balance it out. Beet powder or capsules are options too. Just ensure they're nitrate-rich and minimally processed. Pro tip, avoid overboiling beets as it can zap their nitrates. Roast, steam, or eat them raw to lock in the goodness. Don't be alarmed if your urine turns reddish after eating beets. It's harmless and just your body processing their bold pigments. Bottom line, If you want stronger legs, fewer cramps, and more energy for daily activities, beets deserve a regular spot in your meals. They don't just support your legs, they supercharge your entire circulatory system, paying off with every move you make. While spinach, salmon, Greek yogurt, and beets are all stars for leg strength, no single food works alone. For the best results, weave them into a balanced diet, stay active with light exercise like walking or resistance training, and keep hydrating. Timing matters too. Eating protein-rich meals after activity or pairing iron with vitamin C can boost absorption and muscle recovery. If you have health conditions or take medications that affect muscle function or circulation, check with your doctor before making big dietary changes. In short, spinach fuels nerves and muscles with magnesium and potassium. Salmon delivers anti-inflammatory omega-3s and protein to protect your muscles. Greek yogurt gives your bones and muscles the calcium and protein they need to stay steady. And beets act like a natural turbocharger, improving blood flow so your legs get the oxygen and nutrients they crave. These aren't just healthy choices, they're smart, targeted tools to keep your legs strong, stable, and ready for action as the years roll on. Love this info? Let us know how you sneak these foods into your meals. Drop a comment with your favorite recipes or suggest a topic for our next video. Give us a like, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share this with someone you care about. Strong legs are about more than dodging weakness. They're about staying mobile, independent, and full of energy for all the things you love. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to staying informed and feeling great.